the 2019 Chef of the Year finalists. Two people again, Julia Steinheiser and Ace Champion. Julia Steinheiser is a certified executive pastry chef and instructor for culinary arts and baking at Fox Valley Tech. She is a graduate of Madison College for Culinary Arts and Baking, as well as a graduate from UW-STEM. She has won numerous awards for cooking, pastry, and most recently helped our Fox Valley Culinary Association team win the national competition in 2018. She earned Best of Show at the ACF National Convention this past summer with her pastry work. Julia has volunteered and assisted with our Leaven fundraiser, other events, and shares her passion for lifelong learning with many of her upcoming students. Our second contender, Ace Champion, has developed and syndicated his own cooking program. He's a graduate of FETC's Culinary Arts program. He's very active and the first to volunteer to do demonstrations supporting the culinary arts on TV, radio, and live in-person events. He's passionate about giving back and donates time to the community. He has certainly helped to elevate the status of the professional chef in our area. And with that said, we would like to present the 2019 Chef of the Year Award to Julia Steinheiser.
I just want to thank, first of all, Ace for being the person that he is in our community. Great graduate. He is what I try and help all of our students become. He graduated before I started at the Tech, but I know I wouldn't be an instructor today if it weren't for my instructors pushing me in the endeavors of ACF. Helping me to be able to learn as much as I can, so that's what I try and do for our students as well too. But I just appreciate this opportunity very much, and thank everyone for it.
Okay, once again, how about a big hand for all the winners and all the